Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by assembling materials and creating the first sticker shapes. Use 300 GSM cardstock or printable sticker paper and set your canvas to 512px at 300 dpi so prints stay sharp. Sketch simple rounded shapes and place large eyes and a tiny mouth. This creates the cute proportion. Once done, arrange multiple stickers on one sheet with a 3 mm safe margin between designs. Make sure to include a bleed if you plan to trim outside the edge, so colors don't white line. You now refine the artwork and prepare for printing. Keep colors as flat fills with 2 to 3 shades and add a small 10-20% highlight to eyes or cheeks to boost charm. Convert text to outlines, flatten layers, or vectorize shapes so edges remain crisp. Export each sticker sheet as PNG at 300 dpi. When printing, choose photo paper mode and use the sRGB color profile. This reproduces saturated pastels accurately. Make a quick test print on plain paper to confirm scale, and you finish by cutting and protecting your stickers. If you have a vinyl cutter, use Kiss Cut settings, otherwise laminate first and trim with a craft cutter for clean edges. Apply a light matte spray sealer to prevent smudging and let it cure for 24 hours. This also reduces glare while keeping colors soft. If colors look off, recalibrate your printer or update the ICC profile, reprint a swatch, and compare under room light. Finally, test adhesion on paper and plastic to confirm durability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.